Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As many of you may know, it's Oscars season at the moment. The Oscar award ceremony is coming up soon. And I was really pleased to see that one of the best films I saw last year, The Banshees of Inisherin, has been nominated for 9 different categories. For those of you that haven't seen it, it's a really wonderful film about kind of male bonding, male friendship, set on a remote island off the coast of Ireland in the run-up to the Civil War in Ireland in the second decade of last century, with some really great performances in it. Check it out if you haven't seen it. I was chatting about it with a friend of mine recently who's always regarded himself as a bit of a film buff. He's one of those guys who's always seen one more film than you have. So when I asked him what he made of The Banshees of Inisherin, I was slightly taken aback to find out that he hadn't actually seen it. As he said himself, I've been meaning to watch that for ages, but I just haven't got round to it yet, what with one thing and another. We often use this expression, what with one thing and another, to say that the reason we've failed to do something is because we've been so busy. So you often hear it in sentences like, what with one thing and another, I've just not had much sleep recently. I'm really sorry. I meant to. I was planning to call you yesterday, but in the end, what with one thing and another, I just completely forgot. I haven't had a chance to buy them a wedding present yet. What with one thing and another. What with one thing and another, I didn't get home until after midnight yesterday. So as you can see, it's usually used to explain some kind of failure, to say this kind of failure has happened because of how busy I am in life and because of all these things that I have to do. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use what with one thing and another.